In this Unity tutorial I will demonstrate the easy method to apply jump to the character. I will be using box cast that will determine the distance between the player and ground before the character can jump after pressing the space button. I have explained in detail the horizontal movement of the character using C# script in my previous video. Watch the part 1 of the tutorials to catch up with the series on how to make a game in Unity. In order to apply jump functionalities to the character, first we need 3 variables of type float, box collider 2D and rigid body 2D. Initialize the variables in the start method by using the getComponent generic functions. Now create a Boolean function that returns a box cast originated from the center of the body of the character that has a box collider 2D applied to it in the downwards direction and checks for the ground layers with the name grounded at a distance of 0.3f. The idea behind this method is that it checks whether the character is touching the ground or not. If it is and the user presses the space key, the character will jump. Apply box collider 2D and rigid body 2D to the character. After giving some value to the jump variable in the inspector, hit the play button and see the results of the jump functionalities of the character. Tweak the settings of the rigid body or the value of jump in the inspector to see what suits best for your character.